Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Rob.
Hey, Rob, thanks for this ice cream. I love ice cream, but why are we eating it now?
As a treat, Feifei, this is my homemade ice cream.
Yum, it tastes good.
Tastes good, you say? Just good?
Well, it's not bad.
Not bad? Honestly, Feifei, there is no pleasing you sometimes. Is there something missing?
Rob, it's awesome sauce.
Oh, you want sauce on it. Why didn't you say? What do you want? Strawberry, chocolate, caramel?
No, I was actually being nice. Awesome sauce is an informal way to describe something that is extremely good or amazing. It was a compliment, Rob. Listen to these other examples of awesome sauce.
My wife is awesome sauce. She's just served me breakfast in bed as it's my birthday. This peanut butter and banana milkshake is awesome sauce. Can I have some more, please? Hey, I got top grades in all my exams. Awesome sauce.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're looking at the word awesome sauce, which is an informal way of describing that something is extremely good, amazing, or incredible. And your homemade ice cream is amazing, Rob.
Oh, thanks very much. I don't know what to say.
You can also say awesome sauce. The word can be used to say you're very, very pleased with something.
OK then. Awesome sauce. If it's that good, I must try some too, with strawberry sauce on.
You must, Rob. It tastes great.
Oh no, not awesome sauce.
What's wrong?
I didn't put it back in the freezer. It's melted.
You had better go and make some more. Bye.
Bye-bye.